Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this phone I picked up on eBay. I got a decent deal on it, I would say. Let me see. Actually, I think this is the one I actually overpaid for a little bit, if I remember right now. I'm thinking about it. Does have a charger. Let's take a look. Here's the charger for it. And here it is. It's kind of like the SGH X427, I think it is. This is the X426 on AT&T. The Samsung warranty sticker there. This takes the older AT&T SIM card, which I finally was able to get one. So I was able to test a few of my old AT&T phones now. And the seller must have threw this in because I only ordered one phone. But a seller I've worked with before is pretty cool. I'll go ahead and link him down in the description if he wants, but I'll double check with him. And if he does it, then it won't be. But if he does, I'll go ahead and link him down there. I'll check out some of his stuff. Here is the Kia Sarah. Here it is. It is an engineering sample device. Oh, I don't think I have a charger for it, actually. I definitely don't have a charger for it. But there it is. And then here's this one working just fine. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing. And stay tuned for the next one.